Click on the link below to get price. The Industrial Dehumidification Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed to tackle moisture in large spaces up to 2,140 square feet. With a robust capacity of 105 pints, this dehumidifier is perfect for both residential and industrial use, effectively combating dampness in basements, warehouses, and large rooms. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its smart technology, which not only optimizes energy consumption but also enhances performance by automatically adjusting humidity levels. The digital display is user-friendly, allowing for easy monitoring and control. You can set your desired humidity level, and the unit will do the work, turning on or off as needed, which helps save on energy bills. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier excels in extracting moisture from the air. Users have reported significant improvements in air quality and comfort after just a few hours of operation. It operates relatively quietly, making it less intrusive than other models, which is a notable advantage in an office or living space. The build quality of the unit is impressive, featuring durable materials that can withstand continuous use. Its compact design allows for easy transport and placement in various settings. Additionally, the included drainage option is a major plus. You can either use the built-in tank or connect a hose for continuous drainage, which eliminates the hassle of frequent emptying. While the initial investment might be higher than standard dehumidifiers, the efficiency and performance justify the cost. Some users have mentioned that the unit can run a bit warm, but this is a minor issue compared to the effectiveness it delivers. In conclusion, the Industrial Dehumidification Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a solid choice for anyone needing serious moisture control in large areas. Its smart features, excellent performance, and durable construction make it worth considering for both home and industrial applications. If you're looking to improve air quality and reduce humidity effectively, this dehumidifier should be at the top of your list.